Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use the Binance saving function. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPad Pro. So let's jump into it. First, open your Binance app. Then you will have to switch to the Binance Pro version if you didn't already. It's very simple. You just have to flip a switch here at the settings section. As you can see, there is the Binance Lite and the Binance Pro. If you have the Binance Lite, you have the same flip, and if you flip the switch, then you will activate the Pro version. So in the Pro version, you will see here, this is this section where all the features live, and in the second row, the second icon is the savings icon. And if you tap on it, here you can see that there are two types of savings, the flexible and the locked savings. And to start using this feature, you just have to subscribe and or auto subscribe to some of these cryptos and just start saving right away. As you can see, here is a little explanation. What is the auto subscribe function? The auto subscribe is to available balance of your spot wallet will be used daily at 2 and 20 hours to subscribe flexible savings. So that's it, how the auto subscribe works. And here are the logged savings. As you can see, these are logged, and by subscribing you can use these features. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.